So now continue to string slicing. String slicing, let's see as an example of string slicing. What does it mean? Basically, slicing is used to extract some values from a particular string. Like here is an example. In this example, first I create a string, simply initialize a string, that is SD college. Then it will print initial string, that is SD college. Next I want to print characters from 3rd to 12th character. Then for that, see, I use 3 to 12. That means it will use starting from 3rd index to last is 11. To 3 to 11 characters it will print all the values, that is all age from here. 0, 1, 2, 3 third position, 0, 1, 2, 3 starting from 3rd position. Here you just have to notice one thing, that I am writing 3rd, so starting from 3rd, like 0, 1, 2, 3, that is 4, and 12 location is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Further locations are not there, so that's why it is returning only this value. If I add more, like Ambala, Kent, then I'll run it, then the output is changed. Okay, so it will return values from 3 to starting from 12 index. Then if you want starting from 3rd character to at the end is, that is second last character. For second last character or second reverse order, you just use -1 for last element, -2 for second last element. So here I am using -3. Okay, so here it is. Here the answer of this particular code. So it's the functioning of string slicing. Next, move to how to change or delete a string. In a previous session I have told you, I have showed examples of this, that you can delete entire string but not a particular element of string. So next, move to string functions. Before using string functions, just want to explain function name enumerate. What enumerate does? In a string object, the index and character is given as a pair by the enumerate method. So let's see how it works. Just to simply enter an input string, then under the list you just part enumerate that particular value of a जो भी वैल्यू a में आ जाएगी उसको आप पास करेंगे एज अ लिस्ट. देन जस्ट आपने जब इसको प्रिंट किया, प्रिंट ए एंड प्रिंट बी, व्हाट विल हैपन? Print A will print the string and print B, what will it print? As in B we use enumerate method, it will return values with index and the character. First is the index, second one is the value. At 0 index H presents, at 1 index E present, at 2 L present, at index 3 L present, so up to so on. So enumerate is a function in which the index and character is given as a pair. Okay, so now move to string operations. What are various string operations? Let's discuss one by one. So first one is your length. Length returns the number of characters present in the string. So len, in A I have hello world, so total length of that will be 11 including blank spaces. Next is your strip. What strip will do? See, strip will remove the white spaces from starting or ending. As here you just see I have a space in double quotes and H, hello. So when you apply strip on this function, this on string, particular string, then strip function will apply on this particular string, this space will remove. So simply hello world will print. Okay. Next, small functions are used, like lower will return the caps into smaller values. Okay, so hello world here return will return small hello. As also lower convert values to lower, upper will convert values to upper. Okay, just simply upper, just write upper. Then replace, you want to replace a particular character with new character. Then a dot replace, first is which character you want to replace and उसकी जगह पे क्या लिखना है, that character you just have to write and simply run, then it will be the output. Next, split function. Split function will use to split, बेसिकली वैल्यूज स्प्लिट करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. लाइक जहाँ जहाँ मुझे ये पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर मिल जाए, वेदर इट इज़ अ कॉमा, कोलन, एनीथिंग, तो वहाँ ये स्ट्रिंग को ब्रेक कर देगा. ओके, इन फॉर्म ऑफ दिस, इस फॉर्म में इसको रिटर्न करता है ये. सेम अगर कॉमा एक कैरेक्टर के बाद भी, इफ़ यू गेट अ कॉमा आफ्टर अ सिंगल कैरेक्टर, देन इट विल ब्रेक लाइक दैट. सी हेलो, then it will get comma after w, then w kela, it will represent a single element, then orld will represent another element. Okay, so here it is. Next function is your concatenation. You just want to concat two values of string, then simply write a plus b, so it will print hello Python. Star operator in string will return multiple occurrences of that particular string. If you want two occurrences, then star 2, that is it will return hello. Another function is capitalize. What capitalize do? It just only do the first letter of the string to capital, that's it. So hello का जो just h है, that will be in the form of capital, otherwise all rest are in the small form. Next function is center. Center will it will return the text at the position center. 20 represent the position of that particular string. Next, count will return occurrences of o in hello, in particular string, that is a is hello. Then if I have a z, now move to next functions. Okay, so swap case, we use a swap case. Swap case is basically what it do. This method will return the string by swapping lower case to upper case and upper case to lower case. So जैसे मैंने string लिखा, अभी z ये print हो रहा है, अगर मैं इस पे अब if I will apply swap case, z dot swap case and simply print z, then see what will happen. Z is not defined, so first I have to run this, then this. Okay, so see, simply print z dot swap case. I'll write simple as WAPCASC case, swap case. then इसको simply जब आप print करेंगे तो see what will happen, it will return the string by swapping the values. It will turn capital letters into small and small letters into capital. Okay, so z dot swap case is another function. So in case of string we has a lot of functions, so you need just practice about that particular functions. ओके, सो ये ऑल फंक्शंस, दीज ऑल फंक्शंस हम लोग रन कर चुके हैं, ये सारे फंक्शंस. ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट मूव टू स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेटिंग ऑपरेटर. व्हाट इज स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेटिंग ऑपरेटर? ओके, सो स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेटिंग ऑपरेटर बेसिकली क्या करता है, जो प्रीवियसली लैंग्वेजेस में हम लोग यूज़ करते थे, लाइक इन सिमिलर टू सी प्रोग्रामिंग, पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग also offers usage of various format specifiers. What are format specifiers? Like percentage operator. With the help of percentage operator, like percentage d is for integer value, percentage f is for formatting the floating point data, percentage s is used for format the string objects. Okay, so how we can use these particular string formatting operators? Let's have an example. Okay, so this operator is unique to strings and makes up the pack of having functions from C's printf family. Like this, I want to print my name is percentage s and weight is percentage d, as percentage s represents the string value and percentage d represents the integer value. So it will print जो भी value user will enter, like Zara and 21. my name is Zara and weight is 21 kg. Okay, so just try. Okay, so just I want to write like simply plate. First I have to write print, enter a value. Okay, concatenation we have done, plus by using plus operator. String format. For string format we can use a format function also. Okay, if you want to format a particular value, then you can use a format. The format method takes the past arguments, formats them and place them in the particular string where the placeholders, जो placeholders curly braces जहाँ पर भी उसको मिलेंगे, जैसे you are using %d, %s. So in case of where it get curly braces, there it will print the value. My name is John and I am like curly braces. Then I have written text.format age. So in curly braces, age value will be printed. So next is, see, here is an example of format. Like you just write simply quantity, then item, then price, and my order, I want dash, pieces of dash, then print. So simply just run it. So see what will happen. I want quantity, that is 3 pieces of item, that is item number is 567, for dollars is $49.95. So by this way format function can be used. Okay. If you want to change the positions of these, like you want here something else, then you can write the number also, like starting from 0 index you can write 2, 0, 1. The values will shuffle. Okay, by this if you write these values, like second location, if you can use index numbers to be sure the arguments are placed in correct placeholders. कि आपको लगता है अगर कोई वैल्यू गलत हो सकती है, you can write index numbers also there. Okay, next, escape character. Before discussing about escape character, let me show you one more thing, how we use iteration in strings. Okay, what is how we use iterating strings? So I'll just making the heading iterating strings. I will share this file also with you so that you can practice from here. So iterating strings, like you just want to enter a string that is hello. What iterating means, like you can apply for loop, while loop on strings. Then print, I'm writing iterating string. Okay. Next is I want to write for I in str colon and simply print I. तो ये क्या करेगा, it will print values one by one. See, after running it, see what will happen by running this particular iterating strings for loop, using for loop in strings. It will print single value at a time. Okay, so by loop this string breaks and it will print character by character at each line. So it is a concept of iterating strings in the topic of your string part. Okay, so next is I want to show an example of formatting strings. String formatting, we have not done a program of formatting strings, so just write formatting strings Okay. Next example is like, we'll show you some simple value like a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Okay, so what you do, print value of a percentage d. Okay, so value of a percent. So last is your escape character. What is escape character? To insert characters that are illegal in a string, use an escape character. Okay. Escape character is a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. So what is an example? An example of illegal character is a double quote inside a string that is surrounded by double quotes. Okay. Invalid means like in case of a string which is already in double quotes, you mention a name with double quotes also. For example, you will get an error if you use double quotes inside a string that is surrounded by double quotes like this. So this is invalid. To use this, we prefer escape characters. How it will use? By this slash. This slash is escape character. So for example, if you want this particular string want to be a valid string, then just write backslash in before this double quotes and backslash before this double quotes. Then this will okay. So here are some escape characters like single quote. For single quote, you just write one single slash like this. Then double backslash, it will insert one backslash, double backslash. Then new line, for new line you will use slash n. For backspace space you will use slash b, and for slash t will be used for tab. Like you want a space like tab key, then you just use slash t.